What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today we're back at the junkyard. It's a pretty nice day out. It's about 51 degrees, and I'm back at that same transmission that had the hole in it. So the plan is to take this one out, swap the bell housing if possible. I had to pick up a T50 Torx Plus bit, because if you use the regular T50 you're going to just strip a bunch of bolts and maybe the bit. So I picked up the T50 Torx Plus bit. Hopefully that gets me where I need to be. So a lot of people ask me what's the best way to get to the bell housing. For me, this is the best way. I always take off the fuel rails, then I take off the intake manifold. Because when you take the intake manifold off, you can see all the clearance. This is the transmission right here. So you have a bolt here, you're gonna have a 13, a bracket, and then a 15. And then you can have 15, 15, and then 15 all the way around. But at least you can get the top 3 bolts easily loose, because one's like literally right here. And I think there's one over here, and then there's one over there. But you can touch them this way instead of using like 6 different long extensions from the bottom. So for me, I found this is the easiest way to do it, especially in the junkyard. So after fighting with the transmission for a while, this is a little problem I got. I can't get it out. The truck is way too low for me to pull it out. So I tried jacking it up, but that didn't work out. So I'm gonna go see if they can help me get this thing up. I need someone to lift this car so I can get it. So I went to the office to see if someone would help me lift this thing up. But they're like, nah, the production doesn't work during the weekend. So I'm like, all right, bet. No jacks allowed. So that's what I had to do. I had to take the cross member, and I found a jack in the pickup. Found this, and then found well, there's a nail, I think from the starter, the bolt. And that's what I used to get it out. Anyway, I've been here like almost all day. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.